Hi guys, welcome to Tech Insight Pro. Now I am showing to you Apple's recent release brand new iOS 14 customization. Look, this is my new customization home screen. Now I am starting to you how I am create this. Now I am showing to you. This is just widget. I am customized this widget sometimes ago. Now I am watching to you how to hide your photos. See how to hide your photos. Go to photos. Choose which photos you want to hide. I am choose 3 photos from photos album. Tap and select your photos. Tap share button and tap hide photos. That's photos are hide. Now I am selecting second one and third one. Look like previous. Now I am go to the hide album. Hidden album. The hidden album also visible. But don't worry. Hidden album will be hide. Just you want to go settings to photos from your phone. Go photos, scroll down and hidden album button off. Now to see no hidden album on your photos. This is the unique systems of iOS 14. Now hide your software from iOS 14. Just edit home screen and tap red square circle which I mark. Now show your home screen phases. There is 6 phases here. Now check and uncheck tick sign which you want to hide. Just uncheck tick. That home phase will be hide with all software. And if you want to re-visible this phase, just take a check tick sign on here and it will be visible. It's a new system for you from Apple. Yes, this is my hidden and visible system. You see that? Now I want to say how do you customize your home screen like me. Customize widget. I'm using 3 software from widget setting from the corner of flash. After install your widget, just edit home screen and tap flash sign on your phone corner and add your choosable widget from here. If you want the same place, you set up 3, 4 or more widgets at the same place and you want to stack all widgets next by next. This is like as slideshow. So that now I want to say which software you want downloaded. Clock face software is the most popular widget now of the world. Clock face software. Download clock face software, color widgets and and flip clock software from App Store. The three software you make different color, different faces widget for your iPhone. So let's start to download from App Store. Active widget and photo widgets. You now set up your photos many way. Just I show you demos. So guys, now I want to end my videos. Or let me know if you don't understand what I was saying. Please subscribe my channel and stay with us always. Thank you so much.